Keyboard District ka East Khasi Hills kila pynkhreh ya baro ki jingdon kam na kebenta ban penti kena ban penlong ya ke election ka iaid beit ya ryntih ka bakhuj basuba bat ka basuk basansha ki khatsan teli ki constituency jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC ki bahap hapo uput usam jong ka district. Habakren Syakilat Pathai Kubor haka arp sautarik kelalingkot ka Deputy Commissioner kong RM Kurba ka pentip baka jingpynlut iaka ni ka election ka banwan kanlong na Interstate Bus Terminus ISBT Hamawyong haka jaka jong ka Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Hapolo. Kalaong nakikhatsan tali ki constituency ka KHADC ka jingthep kyrtong jong ki kyrtong nakishipho tali ki constituency kanlong ha ISBT Mawyong lai tali kata kanong spung so yong bat so rengkam kanlong ha DC office shillong bat artli kata ka penursla bat langkerdam ha office USDO civil penursla. Henry ka jingyo ya ki vote na ka benta baro ki khatsan tali ki constituency kanlong Tang ha ISBT. Ka DC kalapan pauru ba ka jing sedang pli biang ya ki school ka jing sedang jong ki board exam bat ka jing dheng kali ki dei ki daw halor ka jing shimrai ban pynkhreh ya ka jaka penyat ya ka ne ka election sha ISBT Mawyong. Kalapan tibru ba ka sengi ban bu ya ki jing kam bat jing persya ya ka jing penrung kerteng ha ka electoral roll kalakut ha ka arpu arteri kelalingkon bat ya ka electoral roll ka bakhadu on permi ha ka arpu nyoteri kelalingkon bat ya ka ba on IT ru shabaro ki sengsan perthai. Nalor kata la pentip ru ba ka office kala dep ban penlong ya ki jing ai jing hikai ka ba hadu arsin na ka benta ki RO ARO bat ki sengsan perthai kumju. Haba penbena ba ka model code of conduct MCC kan sedang bantrekam nadu ka arpunyo terik kelalingkon ka DC kalaong nilapan mi ya ki jing penjari kendon ban penti kena bahkan omdon kanu ka jing penkenya ka MCC. Kanu ka jing penkenya ka MCC on shimbi syarda ka DC bat ki RO. Kala pentip baka jing bukput ya ki kyrtong ban penlut ha ka ni ka election kalong san lak tingka bat ka security deposit kalong lai hajar tingka. Baru ki kyrtong ki baya ai rank ki don kam ban pan jing bet na ka office ka DC SDO na ka benta ban penlong ya kino ki jing lang paj ba jing ya paj ba bat ki rally paj ba. Kani ka kentup ru ya ka jing pendon kam ya ki korpen sawah.
So we are gathered here to inform you about the forthcoming KHADC election 2025. So we are going to declare notify the election on Monday, that is 27 January 2025. We are going to also issue some prohibitory orders for defacement of any private and public property. The period of filing of claims and objections for enrollment in the electoral roll has already been completed on the 22nd, and on the 27th we are going to release the electoral roll, the final electoral roll. Thereafter, the same will be handed over to the political parties, and it will also be people can view it. The next is. For your kind information, JN Stadium will not be used for any purpose of election this time. We are shifting to ISBT. So we are going to have 15 KHADC constituency, and out of which 10 constituency will be the nomination will be taken in ISBT 10. 3 will be in DC's office, and 2 in Penursla, and Langkatan will be in SDO Civil Penursla. So the 3 assembly constituency which will be taken up in DC's office will be Noxpo, Soyong and Soringa. Okay. The rest 10 will be in ISBT. There's a period when school will be starting very soon, and also you've seen in the day-to-day there's traffic jam. Number 2 is that there are schools which have the board exam has already been started. So to ease the traffic, and also because most of the activities of this election process is in ISBT, so we've decided that 10 of the constituency should be in ISBT. Right now we have 15 constituency. 10 will be in ISBT, 3 in DC's office, and 2 in Penursla for the nomination. But for counting, everything will be from ISBT. 6 in count will be Madam Manaliza Lakyong. For 7 Malkan Row, it will be Glistering Dahar. For 8 Nongkrem, Kumari R. Kulkarni. 9 Nankadem, Srimati Ivarinia Liza Wajri. 10 Nongshken, Lamrich Kharman. 12 Mausanram, Shanborram Wajri. 14 Mudlane, Jacinta Umdo. 15 Laban, Srimati P.K. Sangma. 16 Nongthamai, Shri Tosan Bahar Marwin. 17 Lemkra, Srimati Dadiganti Khashiyeng. 18 Mokhar, Shri Sylvester Panbo. 19 Jayau, Aldrin El Bare. 20 Maulai, Srimati Dahun Shisha Dindo. 21 Mauplang, Shri Keith Tensong, Tennyson, Longsting. 22 Longspo, Shri Peter Tremi Pasar. 2 rounds of training with the ROs and AROs and also with the political party. And today this is the third and final round with the political parties. We have briefed them the same thing that we are briefing you just now. As you all know, the law and order situation in our district is peaceful, except for 1 or 2 pockets, which that also will be handled. Then we have a ceiling of expenditure for the candidates, which is 5 lakhs. The security deposits is 3,000. And also we have the commissioning of the EVMs. As of today, all the EVMs are there in ISBT. As today, it's a warehouse because it contains EVMs of other districts too. But once we commission the EVMs, they will keep it in the strong room in ISBT itself, and from there we'll distribute to the different polling station on the date to be notified on Monday. Okay, so yes, we have actually a list of symbol also will be getting soon, so we'll be sharing with the political parties. So the model code of conduct has been will be effective from Monday. There are a few things that needs to be noted. Number 1, I will not read the whole thing. I've just we've highlighted a certain portion. All political parties contesting candidate by prior permission from the Deputy Commissioner's Office or Divisional Officer's Civil Office for holding any public meeting, procession and rally. That also include using of loudspeaker. Then for handling of the polling booth, no one without a valid pass from the returning officer concerned, not from PC, from the returning officer concerned, shall enter the polling booth. Then the next is cash. Carrying of cash money in excess of 50,000 is prohibited. Okay. If anyone, there are business people who do carry cash more than 50,000, they have already applied along with all relevant documents. There are people who are doing big business people, so they've already applied. Okay, and the contest that will be for both the in public as well as contesting candidate and their supporters. And any violation of this model code of conduct should be addressed by the Deputy Commissioner and also the returning officer concerned. That's it. People with arms to deposit it in the Malkana.